Welcome to Yours in Education, and you can join this game and play to see if you can answer 60 questions in 30 minutes. Let's start. Okay, it says, which of these substances is the most dense? Okay, I did a density tower, and I remember that honey and syrups were at the bottom. So which one is the most dense? Dishwasher detergent, corn syrup, that could be it, water, no, honey, yes, there you go, of course. How can I identify which of these liquids is water? Okay, so I have 4 liquids, but I have no idea. Okay, let's see. By adding water and observing which layer increases in volume grows. Yeah, that will make sense. If I add more water, of course one of these would get bigger. The top layer is always water. No, alcohol is less dense than that. By adding a piece of ice and the layer above the ice is water. No, ice is less dense than water, so ice will always float. By putting the liquids in a freezer and the liquid that freezes last is the water. Nope. Nope. Alcohol takes longer to. Which property cannot be used to classify these objects into more than one group? Magnetism. Okay, I have a penny. Oh my god, this is blurry. A penny, eraser, key, cotton ball, plastic ruler, metal. Okay, so magnetism cannot be it because some of them are magnetic and some are not. Electrical conductivity. Okay, well, the cotton ball is not, and the iron is, so no, that's not it. Mass. Well, some are big, some are medium, so that's not it. Solubility in water. Okay. Non-soluble, all of these are non-soluble in water. They will not dissolve. So this one cannot be used to classify the objects. Yay. Okay. Is oil soluble in water? No, definitely no. They have different densities, so no. I don't even have to read the other ones. Which one is false? Cardboard is a solid? No, that's true. It's an insulator. Yeah, that's true. I will not get electrified for sure. It's non-magnetic. That's true. Conducts heat. No, that's not true. That is false. Choose a block. Let me see. What do I do here? I never know what to do. Help. Okay, choose 2 electrical conductors that if you touch them, you will get electrified. So gold, yes. Plastic, no. Gold, yes. Silver, yes. Wood, definitely not. Plastic, no. So gold and silver are electrical conductors. Which property of matter can be tested based on the pictures? So I see these instruments or thingies. If you know what these are, put it in the comments. I don't know. And I see they have the same color. They have different size, so different masses. And, well, let's see. Magnetism, no. All of them are either magnetic or non-magnetic because they are the same material. Density, they all sink. Mass, they have different mass for sure. Solubility, they all are not soluble in water, so it will be mass, definitely. There you go. Which could be the physical properties of salt water? Well, I know it's not a solid, no. Liquid, yes. Clear, yes. Non-magnetic, yes. Insulator, which means does not conduct electricity, no. If you are in a thunderstorm, stay away from the water. Very good conductor, so no. Liquid, yes. Clear, yes. Magnetic, no. Liquid, yes. Clear, yes. Non-magnetic, yes. Electrical conductor. There you go. Okay, here. Which material is most likely the handle of this pan made of? Okay, well, he or she is touching it, so most likely it's made out of plastic or wood because those are heat insulators. So plastic or wood, yes. Metal, wood, definitely no. You will burn. Steel will burn you. Metal will definitely burn you. Okay, I want to upload a unit. Why would oil make a layer at the top of glass of water? Well, because oil is hard layer. No. Oil is more dense than water. No, that will go to the bottom because more dense will sink. So no. Oil is soluble in water. No, they do not mix. Oil is less dense than water. Yes, things are less dense. They float. Okay, let me see. How much money? $200? What's that? Man, poor. Choose two substances that are less dense than water, which means that they will go to the top. Rubbing alcohol, yes. Corn syrup, yes. No, corn syrup sinks, so that's no. Oil, yes. So honey, no. So rubbing alcohol or oil, yes, for sure. Okay, let me see. $400. Choose a Blooket. Cotton candy is magnetic because what? No, it's not magnetic. Definitely not. Non-soluble in water because it's made out of cotton. No. Cotton candy is not made out of cotton. Sour? No. It's the opposite. It's sweet. Soluble in water because it's made out of sugar? Yes. Sugar is totally soluble in water. A student is designing a sleeve for a cup that will insulate thermal heat. Which of these materials will be the least useful as an insulator? So it says the least useful. That's a trick because it's something that will not work as an insulator. So rubber, no, that will be useful. Aluminum, I'm not sure. Plastic, no, that will be a good aluminum. That will be a good insulator. Carbon will be a good insulator. So I'm going to aluminum. Yeah. What is the difference in grams between the total mass of the liquid substances and the solid substances shown in this table? So when it says the difference, you need to subtract. That's math here. And I'm gonna subtract liquid versus solid. So liquid, I have water, and the other toothpick, salt, and sugar are solid. So I'm gonna add 30 plus 20 is 50, plus 5 is 55, and then 125 minus 55, 5 minus 5 is 0, 12 minus 5 is 7. So it's 70 grams, 70, there you go. Yeah, okay. Cornstarch and talcum are not soluble in water for sure. They are powders, they are white, and they're solids. Yes, they're not, which is false, soluble in water. Okay. Can I do all of these? What did I do? Oh, these make me lose money? OMG, that's bad. After a pool party, there were a lot of objects in the pool. Dirty people. Which is a useful method to clean the pool. Okay. The objects less dense than water will be cleaned by the pool filter. No, the filter is at the bottom and less dense will float. So no. Use a pool cleaning net to pick up objects less dense than water. Yes, I'm thinking everything that is made out of styrofoam, plastic, wood. If you have any of that, will be floating, so you can pick that up with a net. So I'm thinking it's the blue one. Objects with the same density than water will sink. No, they will, no, only with more density. No. Send divers to find the objects that are more dense than water. That will be very difficult and expensive. So use a pool cleaning net. Honey and corn syrup are less dense than water. No. Magnetic, no. Solids, no. More dense than water. If you have done a tower of density tower, they will sink. Okay, what do I want? 30 much looks. Okay, I really don't know what to do. Okay, I'm losing money here. So no, I will never click that. I think I should have taken the tutorial. I have to wear gloves to lift a metal skillet. Yeah, you don't want to get burned. Why are the protective gloves necessary? Well, if I touch this, I'm definitely gonna burn my hand. I've been there, trust me. Okay, how did I make 190,000? My money is growing. Oh yeah. The metal skillet insulates thermal energy. No. Reduces? No. Creates? No. Conducts? Yes. Metals conduct energy. Yes. Which two objects are more likely less dense than water? Less dense will float. A rubber duck, yes. Metal sinks. Wood sink, no, wood floats, and thumbtack, no, that will sink. Plastic bowl, that will float, glass, sink, wood floats, rubber floats. There you go. Choose two physical properties. Oh my God, my tongue. Choose two physical properties of aluminum. It is an electrical conductor and it's non-magnetic. I know that it's non-magnetic. It is non-magnetic and a liquid? Definitely not. Less dense than water and non-magnetic? No. An insulator and non-magnetic? Well, when I am cooking, I put aluminum foil and then I touch it and I don't get burned. So I'm thinking it's an insulator. Oh, what? It's an electrical conductor? OMG. OMG. Okay. Aluminum foil. Okay, there we go with the aluminum again. Brass ring and a gold ring are soluble in water. No, good conductors. And I'm thinking are good conductors. I should have seen this question before. Duh. Okay, what do I want? I match blues with this for the class synergy bonus. I have no idea what it means. Okay. Did I lose money? No, I made more money. Mystery substance. It is hard and has the shape of a circle. It has a rough surface. The substance is, well, definitely a solid because it's hard. Yes. When a substance is soluble in water, is soluble in water. Soluble means that it will dissolve. Dissolve, yes. Condensate means, no, that's from the water cycle. No. Evaporate is water cycle. Solutize, that's not even a word. Dissolve. A soap bubble, a feather, cooking oil, and a wood chip are more dense than water? No. Wood for no. All of these float, definitely. Less dense than water. I'm thinking this is it. Soluble in water. Wood is definitely not. Attracted to magnet? No. Less dense than water. Okay, 5-2. What is better? Okay, mystery substance. It is not visible and the container appears empty. This substance is that will be a gas, definitely. Okay, oil and water do not, oh, that's easy. They do not mix. I will read everything just in case there's a trick. Evaporate, no. Condensate, no. Magnetize, they do not mix. Different densities. A teacher mixed salt and water into a beaker. The salt could not be seen any longer in the water, so it dissolved. The teacher then heats the mixture until the water evaporates and the salt could be seen again. Which property of the salt is the teacher demonstrating? Okay, so if it could not be seen any longer, that means it dissolved, and then when it evaporated, I could see again. That means that I separated the solution, and that is solubility. There you go. Okay, so is that good or bad? That's good. I will put sugar, salt, oil, chocolate, and butter into hot water. Ugh, I wonder how that tastes. What will happen to these substances? Okay, the butter and chocolate will not melt. No, they will definitely melt. The salt and sugar particles will become smaller in size and they will dissolve. Yes, salt and sugar definitely dissolve. The oil will not dissolve. That's true. And will sink. Now, oil always floats. It's less dense than water. The oil will not dissolve and it will settle at the bottom. No, it will float. So it was this. Yes. My friend Kelly dropped a bolt into a container of maple syrup. She tried to move the bolt with a powerful magnet, but the bolt did not move. Which of these best describes some of the bolt's physical properties? Okay, so if it did not move with the magnet, evidently it's non-magnetic. And then the bolt is at the bottom of the container, so it's more dense than syrup, for sure. It is more dense than water, yes. Magnetic, no. Definitely no. It is more dense than water, yes. Non-magnetic, yes. But I'm gonna read the other ones. Less dense than water, no. Non-soluble, yes, less, no, this is floating, less dense float. So the answer is blue. Yes. Mystery substance. It takes the shape of its container. Okay, it could be a liquid or a powder. It is clear. Okay, and it can be frozen. I don't think you can freeze powders, can you? Leave it in the comments. This substance is a liquid. Yes. Okay, so, okay. A student is designing a sleeve for a cup that will insulate thermal heat. Why is this important? Well, you don't want to get burned. So people do not burn their hands. Yeah, that's easy. Good. So it looks smarter. Well, it might, but that was not important. So the coffee stays hot longer. That's not it. So the coffee, no, definitely. If you don't want to get burned, get a good insulator. Choose two properties of rubber. Okay, I have 12 minutes. I don't know if I'm going to finish. Choose two properties of rubber. It is an insulator, yes. And a good electrical conductor, no. It is a liquid, no. It is magnetic, no. It does not conduct electricity, yes. And it does not conduct heat, yes. Okay. What do these objects have in common? I have a rock, rubber, eraser, paper cup, and wooden block. Rock, rubber, eraser, paper cup, and wooden block. So they conduct electricity. No, they are solids. Yes, they are soluble in water. No, they are magnetic. No, so they are solids. Okay. Okay. Choose a block to replace. I always lose money with this. Which of these is best conductor of electricity? Which of these is best conductor of electricity? Plastic, no. Glass, no. Copper, yes. Cotton, no. There you go. 10 minutes, will I make it? Objects made out of iron are definitely magnetic. Yes. Which could be the physical properties of glass? Okay, solid, yes. Clear, yes. Non-magnetic, yes. Insulator, yes. Solid, yes. Silver, magnetic, no. Magnetic, solid, clear, non-magnetic, electrical conductor, no. Liquid, no. So it's this one. There you go. Okay, so choose a block. Am I making money? Why do I lose money? I need help. Choose two properties of a rubber ball. It is an electrical insulator, yes. Liquid, no. It is a great electrical conductor, no. Heat insulator, yes. Electrical insulator, yes. Soluble, no. So definitely this. So when something is less dense than water, it will float. Yes. Which is the only liquid metal? Room temperature. Mercury, I know that. It's easy. Okay. Oh. Based on this table, which material would be best to insulate electrical wires? So I have wood, conducts electricity, no, conducts heat. Okay, I wouldn't put wood, even though it doesn't conduct electricity. I put wood on wires if it's not flexible. There's no way. Plastic, yes. Copper, no. You will definitely get electrified. And steel, no. So it's definitely plastic. Choose two substances that are not soluble in water. Talc, no. Iron filings, they're not soluble in water. So I'm thinking is this. Sugar is soluble. Sugar and salt are soluble. Salt is soluble, so it's this one. Depending on their density, objects will attract or repel. That's magnetism. Evaporate or condensate. That's the water cycle. Sink or float, yes. Dissolve or not dissolve, that is solubility. So that's it. Choose a block. I don't know. I never know what to do here. I will never ever skip a tutorial. What do a rock and an eraser have in common? They are solids, yes. They are insulators, yeah. They are non-magnetic, yes. All the options are correct. Wow, I'm glad I read all of them because all the options are correct. I mixed water and papain, which is a white powder, and the particles became transparent. Why did that happen? Papain is more dense than water. No, then it will say something about it sank. Papain is magnetic to water. What? No. Papain evaporated? No. Liquids evaporate, not powders. Papain is soluble in water. Yes. Since I read that it became transparent and the particles became clear, it definitely dissolved. Select two properties of copper wire. It is magnetic and produces heat. Copper, I don't think copper is magnetic. It is soluble in water and it is not soluble. It is a heat conductor, yes, and it's non-magnetic. I'm thinking this is it. It is non-magnetic and does not conduct heat. It conducts heat, so this is it. Yes. Whew. Okay. Oh God. I don't know. Okay. Which list shows the blocks in order from least to greatest mass? So from lightest to heaviest, more mass. So the lightest would be the ones on top. So I have P and P. And then, so I have M and L. So M is light as well. And then L is heavier. And then N is heavier than L. Okay, so it will be, and you can, if you're doing this, you can make like a little sketch using paper. And okay, so the lightest was P, and then the second lightest was M, and then L. Oh, there you go. Yes. Choose 4 substances that are not soluble in water. Pepper, yeah, is not. Cornstarch is not. Oil is not. Drink mix is soluble. Oil is not. Cornstarch is not. Talc is not. And pepper is not. So I'm thinking this is blue. Cornstarch is not. Sugar is soluble. Next. Sugar is soluble. So definitely blue. Always check all the answers because sometimes there are tricks. Baking soda, drink mix, white sugar, and salt are less than water. It doesn't say anything about floating. No, they dissolve liquids. No, they're powders. Soluble in water. Drink mix, white sugar, and salt. Yes, definitely. Okay. What do I want? I want this. Okay. Mystery substance. It is found in TVs, thunderstorms, and nuclear fireballs. Okay, that is, it's not solid. Yeah. Plasma. Yes. Which metals are non-magnetic? Gold is non-magnetic, silver is not, cobalt is magnetic, so it's not it. Gold is not, silver is not, brass is not, aluminum is not, copper is not, and lead. I'm thinking it's blue. Silver is not, steel is magnetic, nickel is magnetic, so it's blue. There you go. Why do we have to shake well salad dressings before using them? Okay, vinegar and oil are both liquids. Okay, well, yeah, but that doesn't have to do anything with the shaking. Vinegar and oil have different densities. Okay. Well, okay. Vinegar and oil contain water. Yes. Vinegar and oil easily form a solution. If they easily form a solution, you wouldn't need to shake them. So I'm thinking that the best answer is vinegar and oil have different densities. One goes to the top, one goes to the bottom, so you need to shake them to mix. Yes. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. I lose money. I'm definitely not doing anything right here. A teacher wrapped 4 mason jars, missing an S, with 4 different materials. She filled each mason jar with an equal amount of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Man, that's hot. Then the teacher and the students observed the water after 15 minutes and noticed that the water of each jar was now at a different temperature. Which property of matter would they most likely investigate? Will they most likely be investigating? Probably B. I'm not sure. If you see any grammar mistakes, put it in the comments so they can be fixed. Okay, thermal energy production, no, they're not producing heat. Electrical energy conduction, they do not conduct electricity here. No, you don't want to have electricity in your mason jar. State of matter, no. Thermal energy insulation, for sure. Magnets are not soluble in water. Yes, that's true. More dense than water. That's false. Magnets are not more dense than water. No, they are. Attracted to steel. False. Magnetic. So they are not soluble in water for sure. Which metal is a poor electrical conductor? So iron is good. Stainless steel, I'm not sure. Silver is good and gold is good. So it's definitely stainless steel. Okay, skip. I dropped 5 dice in a cup filled with water. 3 dice floated. 1 die is a singular of dice, floated in the middle of the cup, and the last die sank to the bottom of the cup. What conclusion can we support after this observation? The 5 dice are the same material? No, because some floated and some sank. 1 dice is magnetic? No, there's no magnets here. All dice are soluble? No. 1 die is more dense than the other one? Yes, the one that sank, for sure. Does plastic conduct heat? No, it is an insulator. Nope. All metals conduct thermal energy and electricity? I'm thinking yes. Are thermal insulators? No. Floating water? No. Less dense than water? Nope. Okay. Choose a blue. Okay, I'm so tired of choosing this because I always lose money. Wires carrying electricity are usually covered in plastic to keep them from starting a fire. What does plastic keep electricity from starting a fire? Plastic is softer than wire. Well, that's true, but, or I don't know. No. Plastic melts when heated? No. Plastic conducts electricity? No. Plastic is a good insulator. Yes. Which are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, and magnetism? No. Solubility? No. Solid, liquid, gas, and plasma? Yes. Magnetic? No. Magnetic? No. There you go. Oh my god, I have 1 minute. Which property of matter can be... 1 minute. Which property of matter can be tested? I already finished them all. I already did this. Mass. Oh, that's good. Da, da, da. Oh, I already did that. I finished. Which list shows the blocks in order from least to greatest? Okay, I remember that this is the lightest, then was M, then L, and then N. So it was P, M, L, N. Yes. Oh my god, I can't believe I finished. Choose 2 physical properties of aluminum. Aluminum is less dense than water. No. Electrical conductor and non-magnetic. Yes. I got it right. The last time I got it wrong. Choose 2 properties of a rubber ball. It is a great electrical conductor. No. Heat insulator. Yes. Yes. Choose a blue. Okay. Why is it? I honestly have no idea. Which of these is the best conductor of electricity? Copper wire. Copper wire. Let me see. What are my scores? 63 out of 64. 49 million. Oh my god, that would be so nice. Token multiplier. 5. I honestly have no idea what this means. I'll need to take the tutorial, or if you can help me, that would be very nice because I definitely do not know what this means. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and if you want me to make another Blooket, let me know. See you soon.